This is Southside. He's one of the guys responsible for helping Future create hits like this, and this, and this, and most recently one this. If you're like me, you love this Southside style of beats, the 2015-2016 vibe. Today I'm gonna show you how he does this kind of beats. I'ma spill all his sauce. So without further ado, let's cook something up. Usually for this type of beats, we'll go for a BPM between 140 and 170, something pretty fast. For the main melody, I've got this pad called Fame from Elektra X inside the Roy Major's Neptune pack. Now for this type of melodies, you want them to be very repetitive. Use just 3 or 4 notes to build a rhythm. Go for semitones to create tension between notes for a darker sound. Now this is the melody I came up with. For effects, we have an EQ cutting the low frequencies and a bit from the middle, and a Valhalla reverb at 20% mix. The main melody is being routed through 4 other mixer tracks. First one has halftime on it. Second one with Echo Boy delay. Third one with backmask. Fourth one with Portal and Panman. For the second melody, I use this preset called Create Your Path from Ocean Views pack. I think I butchered his name a bit. Same MIDI as the first one, but 1 octave higher. Now this is how the second melody sounds. Now for effects, I don't have anything on it, but I routed the track to the same 4 bus channels as the first melody. Our third sound is the stock FL keys, playing some low notes for a dark sound. For effects, we have an EQ cutting the low end and a Valhalla vintage at 20%. The keys are being routed through the last 3 bus channels. We skipped a halftime bus this time because it was low enough. Now for the fourth sound, we have the signature Kill Bill siren with these 3 effects on it. Now this is the sauce that will transform your beats from a basic trap beat to a Southside banger. Last sound, it's a lead from Elektra X, but for some reason Elektra didn't save this one and I couldn't find it again, but any lead will do the job. I put an EQ and a delay on it. Now onto the drums. For the 808s, you want something distorted. Here is how mine sounds. I always make the envelope like this on all my 808s for more control. Now let's put the rest of the drums. This is how all the drums sound together. And this is the final product. Thank you guys for watching this video. My name is Andrew. If you like this type of content, leave it a like, a sub, whatever. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.